how to create a Google Sheet API key. So simply we just need to visit Cloud Console Google here console.cloud.google.com. From here you need to create a new project, or you can simply select a already created a new project. As let's say I am creating a new project. You can name it anything like Google Sheet. Okay, it is creating project. Okay, now you need to select this project, and okay, it is selected. Now simply you need to search for Google Sheet API. Here, this is Google Sheet API. You just need to enable it. Okay, this API is enabled. Now you simply need to create credentials, and you need to create a service account for it. So Google Sheet application data. Next. Okay, here you need to write a name for a service account. You can name it a Python API. ID will be automatically created. Then click on create and continue. And here you need to select a role for your service account. You can say we need to make sure it is editor. Search for editor role. Okay, now editor role is selected for our service account. Click on continue, and then click on done. Okay. Credentials created. Now go to credentials. Click on this service account, or you can click on this pencil edit button, and then go to keys. And from here you need to create a new key. It is taking some time. Okay, now you just need to click on add key, create a new key, and click on JSON and create. And your API key is downloaded. Yes, this should be always this, and you can use this APK. It is totally free and has some limitations per minute. For simple normal use, these limitations are enough. So that's it. First, create an project, then search for Google Sheet API, enable it. Then you need to create credentials, and then go to credentials, go to keys, and create a key and download it. You can you just need to use this JSON file to access Google Sheet.